Where you wanted to sit at?
Hello, I'm Joseph with JTech. I'm going to be going over how the power flows through a transmission and how to calculate the gear ratios. So first, it comes to this input shaft down here, and comes in to this first gear here. Down a little bit more. And from this entire section right here is actually different from the main shaft, which is from here to the end here. Now, this gear is a drive gear. In other words, power is going to come in here and it's going to transfer from here to here, which will be the driven gear. Your drive gear will always supply the power, your driven gear will always receive the power. Now, on the counter shaft, this is the only driven gear. All the rest of these are going to be drive gears because then they're going to transfer back to the main shaft. So, coming from first gear on, first gear is back here, and then second, and then third, and then fourth will be a one-to-one where the main shaft and input shaft are locked together. And then you got your fifth gear over here, which is going to be your overdrive. And what that means is that your output shaft will be spinning at a fraction of the input shaft, which will give you a lot better gas mileage and also help with keeping everything running smooth when you're going down the highway. Now, this section right here is your reverse gear. Now you got an idler gear here, and what that does is it makes the driven gear here go to here and then reverses the flow on here, which gives you, as this side's turning this way, then this side will turn this way. Now, I'm going to be going over how to calculate the gear ratio. So first thing you need to know is that this first gear here, from the input shaft going to the counter shaft, is called your compound gear ratio. Now what you need to do is you need to find a gear ratio for whatever gear you're trying to do, and then multiply by that compound gear ratio. So we've already pre-recorded the numbers here, and I'm just going to calculate them out on my phone here. So what you're going to do is take the first gear, which would be 34 divided by 15 times 34 divided by 23. See, that's everything there to calculate out, answer, and that's your gear ratio, which is about 3.35, which is very good for a first gear. It helps you get going, and that's it.